To inspect and/or replace the drive belt on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat and level surface. Then, stop the engine after operating in forward motion. Now, turn the ignition key off and wait for the engine to come to a complete stop. After this, lock the temporary brake lock. Continue by removing the left side panel. Next, retrieve the L-wrench tool from the panel trim. Spread the panel trim apart as needed to access the driven clutch. Then, remove the spare belt holder. Now, install the L-wrench tool into the open threaded hole in the outer sheave of the clutch and turn it clockwise until the sheaves open far enough to remove the belt. Now, flex the console outward and remove the fender push pin. Then, gently flex the fender outward. Then, firmly grasp the belt midway between and beneath the clutches, and pull outward and rearward to remove it from the driven clutch, and then from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Before continuing, clean the area around the clutches thoroughly to prevent damage to vehicle components. With the L-wrench inserted into the threaded hole and the sheaves in the open position, install the drive belt by placing the belt over the drive clutch and then continue walking it over the driven clutch sheave. Install the belt so that the numbers can be read correctly on the left side of the vehicle, or in the direction in which the belt was originally installed. Next, wiggle the belt to remove slack while removing the L-wrench. Then, reinstall the spare belt holder into the retention point and turn the latch to secure the holder. Continue by reconnecting the side panel trim with the push pin and reinstall the L-wrench tool. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Now, reinstall the side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches and ensure it is secure. Finally, break in the new belt. Reference the owner's manual for drive belt break-in. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.